me as a mother, it's my worst fear come true. It tears your heart out.
Thousands of Massachusetts families go through it every year. A family member with disabilities abused by a caregiver, and many cases go unprosecuted.
So families and local organizations have banded together to pass Nikki's Law, creating a statewide registry to protect families.
You go through stages of guilt, and you're trying to figure out, well, what do I do? And then for a while, it took me a while just to get to a place where I could even trust him with somebody else again.
Elizabeth Bostick's son James can't speak and can't physically defend himself. He's one of thousands of people with disabilities abused by care providers, and it happened at his own home. There was no way to track the abuser or to find out if the next caregiver had any abuse claims.
The offenders tend to just go from place to place to place, and they're hurting people. There is this rising problem of people who are so vulnerable really getting abused and being hurt.
In fact, state statistics show a 30% increase in abuse cases being referred to district attorneys' offices, but many go unprosecuted because the victim can't communicate.
Only 10 to 15% actually get prosecuted. That's why this law is so important, to capture those that do registrable abuse, abuse that's physically or psychologically very harmful, that they can be placed on a registry.
The ARC of Massachusetts, a group of parents and caregivers all banded together to pass the law, giving families like the Bosticks a tool for protection.
As I go forward and look for people to support James, I can be sure that they're not people who have hurt people before.
So beyond protecting people with disabilities, this registry will actually be created under Nikki's Law. It would apply to any substantiated abuse on anybody. So we're talking about the elderly or anybody who might face something like this.